Okay, guys, so Chris lost the title. What the fuck? You hit it to me, bro?
No, I tried to hit it off you, bro.
No, you hit it on me.
Get this off. We beat the hell out of it. We didn't even take this off, so if it works, I'm surprised.
Guys, Chris made it, and man, look at this Camry. This blue is like freaking awesome. 2020? Man, this blue, like, I'm just like amazed. How haven't I seen any of these on the road?
I don't know, but I'm thinking to get my Mustang next color, bro.
Okay. Man, that's a nice looking blue. I changed them rims because they ain't fitting with that blue. They ain't hitting like they should with that blue, but and the trimming even nice right there. I like that. Even though it's like, well, yeah, Arkansas.
Look at the inside work.
Oh, you got the leather over here. Okay.
160 on the dash, boy.
I like it. I like it. I can't even lie. These are nice.
They are nice.
I can't even lie. And it's got the leather, so you got it made right now. I can't even lie to you, bro. Man, I think I'm gonna get the Ford today, man. Okay, guys. So Chris lost the title, and it's a lot been going on. And he filed for a lost title after we looked everywhere, tried to do everything, just thinking. We tried everything we could think of, and we. Chris filed a lost title online, so we got that filed, and yeah, we're starving. Mainly me, I'm starving to death, man.
Oh, I'm hungry too.
And he got a new rental car, as I just showed you guys earlier, so time to take a ride.
That bitch got paddle shifters on it?
Uh-oh, we finna die. And the suspension good, I give you that. Suspension good. That hella cord is real good. 80 miles per hour, like it's nothing. Verso 95. Correction.
You ready? I'm doing a fry. You go ahead over here first.
Let me get a triple cheeseburger, large fry, and a large water. Alright guys, so we figured out what we're gonna do. We got it all applied for, we back, we ate the food. Anyway, figured out what we're gonna do. I'm gonna give them half up front and the rest whenever the title get in. That way I can go ahead and start getting to work on this truck and, you know, just getting everything done. So with that being said, I needed to grab a freaking thermostat from the part house. We got a thermostat, I can literally just let it run, you know what I mean? Right now, can't really let it run too long, anything, because I don't want it to overheat. So I'm finna get ready to vacuum out the truck, go ahead and get it cleaned up a little bit. Let me set you guys up in a spot where I can go ahead and get some of this footage. Look at that. That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm fucking with it. You know what I mean? You don't need none of that shit, dude.
I'm just gonna put it in here and it. I don't need to put goddamn condoms though.
Man, I'm good nowadays. Yeah, one woman on it. For real, that's blessing. Already started back here. He's on the phone, but I already started back here. But getting her done. Yeah. 220 drive up. Just how you alive?
Hey,
what's up?
think smarter.
Not harder. I'm sorry, I ain't trying to see you thought it. I ain't trying to see you thought it, but your boy, he made too much sense. I had to get with him. Okay.
Pull it a little bit. Try it up. Okay. Pull it up.
That sounds like when the last time we watched it, like 2 years? Like, yeah. 2 years, yeah. Before I out here. Yeah.
Yellow solid white when I sat here.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. That's why I was thinking, like, that should be all tree loads, maybe. How actually did you have a shop room earlier? And you said no.
You didn't know. You said
That's a shop room.
you said room for the inside. I don't have one for the inside.
I got air tank in my house, that bitch don't leak.
Alright, be careful. We'll go somewhere and get some dinner.
What the fuck? You gonna hit it to me, bro?
No, I'm trying to hit it off you, bro.
No, you hit it on me.
Alright, I'll let you go. Be careful. My baby.
I'm glad I was recording that. I got that shit on with it. What the hell? That man, y'all seen that time he hit it on me. That man hit that waltz into me.
Hey. He full of shit, alright? I saved his life.
It's getting ready to rain. I'm gonna say my goodbyes to the car. Chris woman just got home. They gonna go get something to eat. And alright guys. So let's get this air tank. Good morning, 4L. Right now, we got the air pump with us, and we're going to AutoZone. And we're going to AutoZone to go get an air valve, well, a valve for this air pump, the air tank, because it took forever to put air in it yesterday. I'm gonna put it in a little clip. Okay, I might be tripping. You gotta open it up somewhere in there. You should be able to see it, but anyway. It took forever to put air in there, and I can't come up with the tire with that tank, so I'm gonna go get a valve and hopefully replace it, and then I can like go put air in my tire and move that truck. Because once I move it, I think I should be able to fix it pretty easy. I don't know. You're gonna see. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do like everything but the clutch yet. You know, I'm gonna try to bleed the line, try to replace the master clutch cylinder. Clutch master cylinder, and then if that still don't work, I already checked the pedal is good. If that still don't work, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the clutch, but I don't know, it might not be the clutch for real. I don't think it's the clutch, in my opinion. I don't know, I'm gonna just go through some little simple tests and figure it out, but right now we're about halfway to AutoZone, and I'm gonna get back with you. Alright guys, so I ended up spending like 20 minutes in AutoZone, ended up going to O'Reilly, got it within like 1 minute. Literally within 1 minute, ended up being like 13 bucks. So now we gotta take this one off and then put this one on. Yeah, anyway, get back with y'all a little bit. All right, so we got a 916. We're gonna start off by removing this, then we're gonna put the pliers on there to remove this, and then we're gonna get this 5/8 to remove the air gauge. So let me get it to it. All right, y'all, finally got it off with the help of my dad, because this thing literally was stuck in there. So it's like flaming hot right now. We had to put a torch. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah, that hurt. Hold on, where the camera at? That hurt. Thing is literally flaming hot. I don't know even about leaving it on there, because I don't want it to burn it down. That thing's hot. Yeah, that thing's real hot. Okay, so put a little Teflon tape on here, and then we're gonna screw this in to make sure it's airtight. And put that on there, and then I'm gonna see can we reuse that, even though we beat the hell out of it. Got the Teflon tape on there. Just push it in there, get it in them grooves like that. Make sure this right here is gonna make sure your air isn't leaking out. You can use it for water too. But anyway, just get it up in there. Get good enough, and just. Oh yeah, whenever you do this, guys, make sure you're putting it on there going this way, because when you tighten it, it's gonna go that way. You don't want it to come undone. So I'm gonna put this camera down so I can actually get to it. I need to go get my GoPro from Mobile really bad. We're gonna try to reuse this gauge, so we put some Teflon tape on there and strap it down. I would be highly surprised if this thing still worked after we beat the hell out of it trying to get it off, get this off. We beat the hell out of it. We didn't even take this off, so. If it works, I'm surprised, because the glass even came on. Put it back on, see what happens. All right, guys, so we had to go get the thing. We made it. It was only $8, so I got like 20 bucks into repairing my air tank, which I don't really care for, because I probably could pay 40 bucks and got a new air tank, but whatever. It's good for like the next probably like 5-10 years, so not really worried about that. let's go to the house, get this thing ready, get some air in here, and then I guess Nicholas, I texted him, and I ain't telling him I need his help, but I'm gonna swing by his house then go get him, and hopefully I get some help from him, and I can bleed this clutch. So let's get going. All right, y'all, made it home. Take this out, put some tape on it, and yeah, get it attached. All right, y'all, got it on there. Let's see, is it gonna work? Please don't come all the way in there. I done messed up. I see it feeling already. And it going in there pretty fast. I'm already excited. Cause now, I ain't gonna lie, this thing been out of commission, y'all. This thing has been out of commission for like a good, like, I don't know, maybe 3-4 years. It ain't been out of commission, but it always had leaks, always had problems. Hopefully it don't got no leaks, no problems. It can hold air, and I'm not worried about anything, you know? Yeah, it is on, so I ain't worried about that. I need a bigger air tank, y'all. It's a little one, but we had about 5-6 years now. They really get the job done. Hold on. All right, y'all, so this thing is done. We got it at 60 PSI. Go down here, go chill with Nicholas, and go pick him up. Hopefully, get the truck moved today. Maybe. We'll see.